So I make a video about the stock market crashing, and then the stock market has the biggest green day in a long time, at least for the Nasdaq. So here's what happened. Yesterday, FOMC announcement, bad news, broke the daily higher low pattern that it held for many days in a row, but it was a fake out, trapped a lot of bears, huge volume at those lows. Check it right there, huge volume at that low. And then it tested that, held that low as a support, and then you see it just rocketed today. It was on fire, went to all-time highs, and look right where it's resting around, right around the resistance area. So I'm very curious how we're going to react around here. And I mentioned in the video yesterday, if the bulls can manage to break this upper resistance line and hold it as a support, you want to see a break, retest, hold it as a support, and then rocket from there. That's what the bulls want to see. Break, retest, hold as a support, and then rocket from there. That's what the bulls want to see with the Nasdaq. A lot of stocks look like they're breaking out right now, and a lot of the big names, the big tech names, Amazon's been going sideways since pretty much July. Is it ready to break out to all-time highs? It's possible. It's getting a bit overextended, but it's possible. Apple, in this consolidation pattern again since August, starting to push, breaking out on the daily pattern over here. And as I said, if the Nasdaq does okay, I said this in my other video, Apple could head all the way up here to $155 or so. Anyways, I could look at a few stocks. We got a few breakouts. When looking at the Nasdaq, see some red flags on the chart, but a break of this and what happened today in the past few days may very well just change my mind. And I said, if we break this, that would negate my theory, and very possible that gets done with this kind of green day today. Big reaction, and the bond yields actually went down today. The interest rates went down, even with inflation expectations on the rise. So I don't know, bad news was looked at as good news, or the news wasn't as bad as the market was anticipating, or the market already priced in the bad news. And so since the news came out, it was a buy the news event, which is very possible. So what's my theory here? Like I said, break of this, retest would negate my theory and would still leave us in a nice, strong bull trend. A lot of money's just leaving crypto, looks like, and going into stocks. So I guess that's where the money wants to be right now, is stocks. That's what's going up. Gold down, commodities down, crypto down, stocks up. So that's what we're looking at over here. Is the stock market going to crash? Well, not yet. Is it going to crash eventually? Yes. Do I know when? I don't know. Right now, I was looking yesterday. I was looking for this rebound, and I think I mentioned that in the video yesterday, because we would have been too far from the red line if we gap down. So I was looking for a rebound to the red line, but you see it blasted right past the red line and up to the upper Bollinger Band, showing a lot of strength, closing near the high. Nasdaq could be the very opposite of a crash. It could be breakout to all-time highs, and it could run a lot higher with a lot of FOMO. So we shall see. Again, do your own due diligence. Don't just listen to my thoughts and my opinions. At the end of the day, you need to make your own investment decisions. I'm not giving you investment advice. I'm telling you my thoughts, And look, oftentimes I'm right and oftentimes I'm wrong. So don't just go out and listen to me, because like so many other people online, everybody has their own opinion, and, everybody looks at things a different way. And, sometimes people are right, sometimes people are wrong. I have a lot of good calls. I got a lot of bad calls. At the best, what I got to do is I got to come in here without a bias, and I got to analyze the charts to the best of my ability. And that's what I got to do, and throw my bias away. Market can be overvalued. Market this, market that. Doesn't matter. Charts matter. That's all that matters. Right now, charts look okay, other than this pattern. But it looks like we might break out of this pattern and break bullish. And a failed bear pattern is bullish. Is very bullish. So the bulls can break this, we could see a lot of upside in the Nasdaq, and could be the very opposite of a crash. So that's my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Check out my other videos, and see you soon.